my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine and I am here with another unboxing for Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Now, if you're not familiar, this is a monthly beauty subscription. You get makeup and skincare products and some tools inside this bag. Now, they have three choices. You can get the smaller bag, which is $13 per month, and you get 5 deluxe or regular sample size products inside. Every once in a while you will get a full size product, but it does depend on what it is. And you get a free makeup bag in that bag. Now, this is the Glam Bag Plus, and it runs $28 a month, and you get 5 full-size products inside. And I like this one. Now, they have the Glam Bag X, which is $55. That comes quarterly instead of the Glam Bag Plus on that corresponding month. So let's go ahead and see what they sent for October. When you open the bag, this is what you're going to see. Now, if you put any add-ons or anything in your bag, then it doesn't fit in the regular bag. They'll go ahead and just put it inside the mailer. But this month, we have this very Halloween looking little bag. These are like cotton sheets. So that's what these are. This is what it looks like. Now, everything is unwrapped already because I had an audio problem and I have to film this all over again. So I've got it down this time. I do have to use my phone to look at my Ipsy account and see what is inside. And there we have it. And it just gives you a list of everything that's in there, and you can see how much they are. So the first thing is by Clarity RX. This retails for $60. It is an exfoliant. Don't let your dark marks and uneven skin tone get you down. Brighten up with this gentle exfoliating toner that enlists the help of alpha hydroxy acid to reduce your dark marks and discoloration for smoother and brighter looking skin that glows. So, yay, can't wait to try that. The next thing is by Dew of the Gods. It is an under-eye volumizing collagen pad. It comes in a set of 10, and it retails for $20. And it looks like an old Band-Aid case. And they suggest storing this whole thing right in the refrigerator. And each pack looks like this. It has 2 to put under each eye. This says, sure, you can use filler to help brighten your under eyes, but you can also just pop on these eye masks while you're vacuuming or making dinner, or scrolling through TikTok, to be honest. These collagen-rich hydrogel masks are also infused with vitamin C and witch hazel to wake up dull, tired under eyes. So did I say this was 20 bucks? It's 20 bucks. The next thing is by Earth Harbor. This is Sunshine Dew. This retails for $24. It is an oil-based cleanser that will transform your makeup, removing and cleansing. Wait, let me say that again. An oil-based cleanser will transform your makeup removing and cleansing game. This antioxidant-rich cleansing oil uses papaya enzymes and sea kelp to gently condition and break down even long wear makeup in one easy step. So here we go. Now, Earth Harbor is known for their really pretty colors on their products. Now, when I put this on before, I really liked it. So there's just 1 drop, so it's very liquidy. And you just rub it in. Let's see, I do have some makeup over here, so let's see. Yeah, it's getting it off. It smells like lemons. I love the smell of lemon. I really do. So I'm happy to get that. That's $24. And then the next thing is by Pitt Beauty, Pyt. So not quite sure how they say that. This is a lip duo, and it retails for $20. Now let's see, what is the name? Bare All is the color. These are the kind of colors I gravitate towards. So we're just going to put that right there. That's what that looks like. And then they have the gloss on the other side, which is the same color. So you can use this on its own, or you can add it to the lipstick. It's on a little doe foot. Let's just put it right over that color. And there it is with the gloss on it. Really pretty. So I'm happy to get that. Now the last thing, let me make sure everything's closed here. The last thing is a fall edit palette. I'm excited to see a palette inside this bag. So let's see what that looks like. Ooh, that is an 8-pan. I like it the same like I saw it just a moment ago. So it does have a mirror, and those are the colors. It has 4 mattes, 2 shimmers, and 2 glitters for some awesome fall looks. So this time we got a palette, a lippy, eye mask, and then we have from Clarity RX the exfoliant and skin brightener. And we have by Earth Harbor the cleansing oil. So I am really happy with this bag. I prefer to get the Glam Bag Plus because it has more products, full-size products inside, and I don't like sample sizes. I have to be honest. I had the one that was just sample sizes, and I just didn't feel like paying $13 for a little tiny sample. So I stopped getting that one, and I am much happier with this one. It gives you time to try it, decide if you like it. This is a great beginner's beauty bag if you're interested in it. Now, I can get you a free bag from Ipsy. Now, if you're interested, let me know in the comments down below. I will get with you and get your details, and then I will set that up for you. I will also include my referral link in the description box down below if you'd like to sign up for Ipsy yourself. We both get perks if you use my link. I am so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.